Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here or manage down here, just click on it. You come to next step here. You go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click on notification settings. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to custom Velo notification. Click in this sign. So then you just switch into show for you like this. You disable it for uh, hours. Like you see, it's disabled with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.